Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to renew a domain on Squarespace. Keeping your domain active is important so your website stays online and accessible. Let's get started. On your Squarespace dashboard, click Settings in the lower left corner. Once we are here, click Domains. Now, once we open Domains, any domain we already have will appear here. If there is no domain, it will show as a built-in domain. From here, we just need to click the domain and then click Renew. We can find the Renew option in this section. It will appear here. We can then renew our domain from this screen. We can also renew by going to Billing in the lower part of Settings. Once there, click Subscriptions. Our domain subscriptions will appear here. Click the subscription, then select the renewal option for our domain so that it will renew successfully. With just a few simple steps, we can keep our site running without any interruptions.